Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to capture emails with Octane pop-ups. Now, there are three types of pop-ups in Octane AI. There is a welcome pop-up. So when someone lands on a page, they will be able to answer the quiz or opt in. There is also exit intent pop-up. So when someone tries to leave the website or page, so they will be able to quiz pop-up or opt in. Add to cart pop-up. When the add to cart button is pressed outside of a quiz, they will be able to opt in. So each trigger comes with a variety of ways to customize when your pop-up appears. So in here you will choose opt in, and then as the question, just enter email, and you can save your quiz, and then you can input it to your website. That's it. Thanks for watching.